Garingana wa Garingana.
I listen to it on the internet.
Being Tsonga in SA.
Listen live, online.
Bakamthumbeli bangwani. That's another guy ngatamklanga sweswi after Simura. Oh, still no blast game. Come on, I back announce the song.
You did.
So after Makubele, Tatanga Samson Mthombeni. Samson Mthombeni claims he's the first Tsonga recording musician. And hey, what's the Lela Mchanga and Papa Louis? What he defends it. Alafana na Pen but very trick. Pen logo with such one name because people melele or I taking this year. So Mara in public worry about all the Machanga. But what's our eye? The average shark I taking is also.
No, man, I think most of the time you hear this. I once attended this discussion somewhere in Pretoria, and then what's name was there to address, and then what he said, and this is a common thread. Because no, this is like a scrambled egg. Say ishloshimo, say stranganile. Asa separating. Okay.
Is it set on stone?
No, but here's my thing then. My thing equally. Watsonga, we all came into this thing, Yabutsonga. Then why are we not calling Bahlengwe, Bahlabe, why do we make it about at the balance of all those things that came
Yes, exactly. Batsonga Machangani, Batsonga Ma Yini, Batsonga Maronga.
all those things, why are we doing that?
And also, Logo Shana Shangana Bituna Shwongo. Changani or Changani, Ibitura Moon, by default, that makes it Shwongo. Ritura Tsonga, Arabuli Moon. Ambish Tsonga Shibula Shosh. Minute to us. Okay, I think, yeah.
Last week, you have traumatized again.
Traumatized and losing a magella. But oh, we didn't hear you. We're sorry. Anyway, Butsonga, Subulaban Baribishi. People of the East. Whether or Ibu wrong, whether or Ibu cha, whether or Ibu tonga. Or Ebutsonga, Shubula Shimshim, which means East. That's why we show what I'm
because of people of the East.
Yes, we discussed this.
And people look what about Tovela, Uputemendela, Tovela, Wabukos Zabo. Every nation, especially the Shakalitinga too, Tinganabshaka from Alam Karanga. Look away. Nabandao, wash out Navarmdao. It's just that those things have died nowadays. And you had to praise who you are. You had to give praise to Shakabzawe.
Okay.
To long we are called. Mutsonga I war monzo. It means Tsonga is not a lineage. The first song I played on the Tsonga and SA. Mutsonga I war monzo. Remonzo babula spams ba babula G babula 4-5.
You say this a lot actually.
Because it's the song that I played, Rashinu Rajarman, that's why that nigga was given a doctorate in music watch song. Because Shinura has some confused.
About Butsonga.
About identity, Shinuri, and that song is just one day I need to break down that song. That is a very, very.
Last week.
Yeah, German. Logo Shinuri, like Logo Tangana similar, you will understand why that nigga has a doctorate in music watch song. Daman what's all Masha? One time by Daman South Africa. Tintanga Dana Mozambique and the feeling what?
In terms of lyrical and poetry in his
the
music.
only group that's left is Gorwani, and Gorwani, the original Gorwani I are called. Shinuri what's all. So the one Mutsonga Varmons, Babulaku, I wui kanyimba yingwe. Mwana unatimitsukayen.
Okay.
We are a language group.
Bless you.
Sbar, kasi demon rain. Most of the chances for before we die. Hey, Mashaka, I know that thing. Look, all family stuff, we know how to do what.
So
When I go, it's similar to Corona. Mutsonga a hi wa rimhondzo because hi huma ka tindhawu to hambanahambana and timitsu ta hina a ti fani. We are a vertical society. You cannot have hosinkulu if you are a language group or an ethnic group. Suki ka munhu un'we. Loko va ku Machangani, Vuchangani swi vula a destroy. That's what literally the word means. It's Vuchanga, which is loko va n'wi phata loyi wa n'wima va ro Soshangana or Wachanga hi mizi ya madodana na vafasi. They invade and they destroy. That's what it does. Loko a nghena hi ndhawu a ku ri ndzilo na le Zimbabwe wa vona masiku lama tshuka lama ma ku hlasela nghenela hi xipidi. That's how they describe that dude and his crew. That's both demand, they were literally mercenaries. They never had stability. They were moving around, conquering small groups, move with them. So and they were paid mercenaries. Basuki KZN, around Africa, Mozambique, and not Mozambique, as Zimbabwe. Then Zimbabwe, they came back like this. That's why there was the new age groups would come up to one, like Banbagofana Wufumani, not the group to one. They started coming down south because they were avoiding that Nick. It was destabilizing Tsonga. Because why? Balungu couldn't colonize us. They used Soshanga to destabilize all progress. You won't be a civilized people when Kurna Yipi, Kurna Mun Alwaku without rules. Long get Africa Kaitela and do what they need to do. So Wuchanga I Zai in Amashap. Wuchanga Zaganduan, Zaganumar, Zagalanga, Zazwite. Aina link na Vuchangani. Ambo slash bongo utsaginjani. Ku hava la nga ta fika uhlama vito lama ni nga wa vula. Number 1 munhu faneke loko ku la ku tiva ku Muchangani. Loko slash bongo faneke u fika ka misa vitana ku Gasa. Hi loyi namuntlha a vuriwa ku hi nga tha Gasa. Hi xingoni I Gasa. Ivi Maportuguese ma fika ma hi pfinya ivi hi hundzuka Gasa.
Va pfinya valavo.
Hayi pfinya ngopfu genge leyi. Vanhu lava loko hlaya xivongo Soshangani I Soshangani was a god. Loko u hlaya xivongo u nga n'wi vuli Manukosi I vito ra Soshangani Manukosi u nga n'wi vuli Zikode wa kona u nga n'wi vuli Langa u nga n'wi vuli Zwide u nga n'wi vuli Mkhajo a wu Mchangano wo lwela fanele ku ya vutisa kaya ku ri a hi tshikeni leswiya.
But then it becomes difficult and complicated because now you see, yes, and then that's when you see how propaganda works. That's when you see how important this show is because we need to document and speak about our stuff is not documented. You know,
well documented.
It not what is it well or not at all because there is nowhere where you can find proper lineage or following of what is what.
Okay.
So man, that's why I think this is very important.
We don't do that, and the schedule is
Yeah, of course.
Way what Abukosing, this is how it's supposed to work. Faneke, we in Yalamuti, I mean the royals, they must be taught Shibong from a young age. To see that lineage, Namati are born. Once Kamui, Namir Shakara so powerful, even in history, you recorded me early to partner Machangani because Machangani can't be Shakana Bona.
Yes.
Logomis Missukali social and tell I any pin asbar. I will one way alone, but Antivagal. That's when you cross it like, hey, this nigga type answer shock. I am banana. I'm child. Also must put his people first. You are losing lives. It's not just a it's not like a cooler to sit in the Meridian night, some chill like Bama walk. So you won't
because I'm one of the groups that came into Utsonga.
Okay.
From Abangoni.
Okay.
So Wungoni plus the military strength and with. That's why Soshangani wanted you so much. But what happens is that come on, what point was I making? You threw me off.
Okay, but over and above that.
Yeah. Well, I'm like documenting.
Yes,
Okay,
well,
yes.
yes.
So logo mutumwana wale bukosi mfane ko bana mupati ntirho wa yena i ku hlayisa xivongo
Oh,
ku ri rixaka ra ka nkuna leri ri ti tivaku i vumani jikijiki se ri tivula machangani ri tlhela ri dyondzisa na vana on an official basis that means something went wrong somewhere.
Definitely.
Makuvan lava in history they were not machangani. They ran away from these people. They not ran away, they were avoiding them.
Yeah.
Loko machangani mata a South Africa in present day South Africa abayangi atsanini
No, I don't have that.
by bush.
Okay.
Why batsikila vanga ngabona if bakankuna emachangani
Baba ngasungula ke kona hala.
why basungula mashakeni
Baba welcome kahle.
hila na vasati mitiphina na nyama na mabyala. They did not do that. They went and opted to buy land illegally le batekela abantu bakakhosi.
But so we could understand.
Yeah.
Remember when we went to Tsonga Kral, you spoke about documenting. We talk about documenting right now. Now I'm gonna put my family in the spotlight.
Yeah.
When we also, I must say two things. When we spoke to Koban BBR,
Yeah.
he mentioned something about how the documenting of things was not done properly, which is a problem. And I can attest to that because my man is only when I
Put it on the internet.
Being Tsonga in SA.
Listen live, online.